This is what you get for just over $600,000 in London, Ontario. This home was built in 2012 and has been lovingly cared for by the same owners since then. It features over 1,500 square feet of living space above grade with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. You'll love the vaulted ceiling in the living room, the open concept feeling throughout the main floor, the engineered hardwood, the inside entry from the garage into the kitchen. It's all just amazing. Upstairs, you'll find more very charming features in this home. 3 very spacious bedrooms, wide hallways, lots of closet space, excellent full bathroom, and the primary with its own beautiful ensuite. This home would be perfect for a young family or someone just starting out. The location is just between Fanshawe College and Western University, close to the downtown core. Your backyard actually backs onto the Wolsey Barracks, fully fenced, fantastic. So we're going to wrap up the tour of 106 McMahon Street here on the front porch. And the reason for that is you've got one of the best views of the city, downtown anyways, from this front porch. You'll have to come see it for yourself. Contact your agent or myself if you want to have a closer look. You're walking distance to parks. The grocery store is right up the street. You can walk to downtown, Victoria Park. This is an awesome opportunity here if you're looking to get started in the $600,000 plus price range. Justin Desick, Sutton Group Select Realty. Bye for now.